Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, PAK is invalid with error code ESPINST, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this PAK is invalid error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Fortnite directory, you're going to go into content, you'll go into PAKs here, and here what you're going to do is you're going to first click on show file extensions, and after that you're going to sort it by size. And after you're done sorting them by size, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto global.utoc and you're going to delete all of those files right under global.utoc. So all of these .sig, .utoc, .park, .ucas, all of those files right under global utoc, delete all of those files. And after that, you're going to go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher on your computer, and then you're going to go into your library. You're going to go into installed, you're going to right click on Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You'll go into manage, click verify files here, and after you click verify, it should re-download those files that you just deleted. So they'll be about 300 to 400 megabytes, and after it's done verifying those files, you'll be able to go and play Fortnite on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix PAK is invalid on Fortnite. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.